Hi, it's Lou Brown with another of my 101 ways for real estate investors like you to win and close more deals to accelerate your cash flow. Today's tip is number 8. Look for vacant properties needing repairs, find the owner, use a skip tracer. All right, so vacant properties exist in almost every neighborhood. Some of them don't look so vacant. How can you find out if they're vacant or they're not vacant? Get in relationship with the mail carrier for an area. Now, one of the things I teach you to do is create a target market. Target market is so important because there's relationships you can build in a target market to find deals that nobody else knows about. One of my favorite things is no competition deals. I've identified over 200 different ways that you can, or 200 different ideas on how you can find deals that other people don't know about. That's in my Buying Volume 1 system. You can go to streetsmartinvestor.com and you can find out more about my systems. I love to share these ideas with you. Now, vacant properties have been extremely powerful in my life. And one of the things I teach is something called $10 houses. Think about it. When somebody's already moved out, their life has changed. There's a reason they're not in that house anymore. Usually they don't care about that house. Sometimes that house hasn't been paid. Sometimes several months, sometimes several years that they haven't made payments on that home. And amazingly, the lender hasn't foreclosed on that home yet. So there's an opportunity there. We call them $10 houses. And I love to teach that to you because it has made a difference in my life, and amazing things can happen when you take over those homes. Now, I teach you about a way that you can take over those homes without having to go to the bank, without having to qualify for loans, simply by taking over the deed on the property. That's another thing that's very powerful in creating an amazing real estate business. So now, getting in relationship with that mail carrier in that neighborhood, they can tell you every house in that neighborhood that's vacant. And another thing is, you tell them that you pay referral fees, $250 referral fee for every referral that is sent to you where you actually end up doing business. You actually end up buying that property. Mail carriers get very excited about that. I hope you enjoy this and will use it and will make a profit with it. I know that it'll make a difference for you. I'd love to share more of my profitable tips with you. How can you get more? Well, depending on where you're seeing this, please do like it, love it, comment on it, and subscribe. Share this with your network too. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, baby.